Good afternoon, everybody. This is your market update for Thursday, February 2nd, and we got a lot of information to cover, so I'm going to jump right into it, and I'll be looking down at my notes some too, so forgive me if I'm not looking directly at the screen. First and foremost, the Federal Reserve, at the culmination of their meeting yesterday, did release their statement and did, in fact, raise the Fed funds rate another 25 basis points, which the market was anticipating. They did also acknowledge that inflation numbers continue to cool, which of course makes them happy, but that shelter costs, which is basically housing costs, remain elevated, although shelter cost a lot of time is a lagging figure. So we anticipate that they are dropping, but we just haven't seen it yet. We anticipate that we will see it in the coming months. So we'll keep a close eye on that. That is something that the Fed will be looking at strongly moving forward. Their next meeting is March 22nd. The market anticipates that they will increase the Fed funds rate by another 25 basis points at the next meeting. But of course, there's a lot of information that could come out before then, so we'll wait and see. Markets today, stock market, kind of mixed. It's been mixed all day. However, the Dow not having a great day, down currently 189 points. The NASDAQ is having a great day. It's up 276 points. S&P 500 is up, but just very slightly on the day. I think 39 points last I looked. Mortgage-backed securities, actually, after having a great day yesterday, closed up 25 basis points. I think we're at one point in time up 39 basis points after digesting the Fed statement. Did open the day today up 3 basis points, but it's been back and forth. We've seen it down a bit. I think I've seen it as high as up 14 basis points, but currently on the day, it is down 3 basis points. So pretty much trading in a tight range sideways as it has been. Of course, we have the benefit of the pricing improvement from yesterday. So interest rates today should be better than what they were yesterday morning, probably by about 1/8% if I had to take a guess. Of course, the Freddie Mac published rates came out today and show further improvement in interest rates, both the 30 and the 15-year, although just slightly. I think the 30-year is down 0.04% currently on a national level at 6.09%. The 15-year is down 0.03% currently on a national level at about 5.14%. Most of the economic news that was slated to come out this week, the big movers, obviously the Fed meeting being the biggest, have come out with the exception of the employment report that's supposed to come out tomorrow. We have talked about the ADP employment report that came out, I think, yesterday. But a lot of times the numbers differ between the ADP report and the actual employment report. So the expectation is that the report coming out tomorrow, the market's expecting for job creation of 185,000 positions with a slight uptick in the unemployment rate. We'll see if that happens. If job creation is less than anticipated, I have a feeling that'll be a good thing because it'll show basically that the labor market is cooling a bit. If it comes in better than anticipated, where there's more job creation, that could be bad for the market because it shows that the labor market continues to be tightening. There were some figures that came out today, jobless claims, which were basically for individuals filing unemployment rates or for unemployment for the first time. And that number actually fell by 3,000. And then continuing unemployment claims show basically people that continue to file claims, and that number dropped by 11,000. So as I've mentioned earlier this week, conflicting information in the job market. Some information supports that it's tightening. Some information supports that it's cooling. It's really hard to say. Hopefully we'll get a more clear indicator of exactly what's going on with the jobs numbers, the employment numbers that come out tomorrow. In the meantime, as always, we'll keep you updated. I know that was a mouthful for me to say. I know it was a lot of information to retain, but hopefully that all made sense. We'll update you again tomorrow. Have a great afternoon.